go, starting with chapter 3-4, the Resident Evil 4 playthrough. We've just seen the end of Lewis, who Leon met earlier on today, and yet he's distraught. Just going to grab a bit of loot in the room to start with. There's not really a lot else going on in here. Oh, except Ashley, obviously, who's trapped, because why wouldn't she be? Just grabbing all the loot I can, and then we've got free Ashley. With a few shots to the bars that are holding her. You should really use the rifle here, but I'm going to give it a go with the pistol, because it's right at the start of the level, so if I accidentally miss and kill her, I can always just restart. I mean, that's not the attitude you should have in real life, but it works for video games. Once you've got free.
Talk about near-death experience.
Ashley, get out of there!
So I'll get the rifle equipped, move over to the right hand side of the platform. There are some crossbow guys that spawn. Struggle to hit you if they're over here. Just clear out the guys, don't let them run with Ashley. If they get to a door while they're carrying her, then you just lose because they leave. So Ashley makes no attempt to get away from the enemies, she just cowers on the floor, waits for you to deal with it. So they kill the first 3 guys. Now she should get up. She goes running across the floor, tries the door.
The door's locked, I can't open it!
So the guys can, as long as the red guy's alive, they'll keep destroying. So. As you can see, you can hear the crossbow where it's going. It didn't hit me. Yes, yes. Wait for it. I will rescue you. Easy peasy. So now that everybody's dead.
I got the key! I can get out!
She's grabbing a key and off she goes. Now you get to play as Ashley, who's got no weapons whatsoever. So yeah, good luck. Lucky there's not too many bad guys in here. So one's just there. So that's coming out here. Now I thought you press the button to pick up this, and then you have to press it again to throw. And no, you just throw it straight away. So I've chucked one out in there. Now it takes 2 of these to kill the guys. I saw that one coming and started running, so that's an issue, because now I can't kill him, so I'm going to have to, well, see if I can get a bit inventive. That throws it at the other guy, which isn't what I wanted. And well, that throws it at him too, so he's dead. So instead of that, I'm just going to come over here. Yes, yes, run at me. Duke strats. And shut the door on it. Easy peasy. Nice, quick check for loot. Take both these. Take the door open. And off we pop. Well, it's a little puzzle room. You've got some gates that you've got to open up to make your way through. To open them in a certain order to get through. I mean, I've done it so many times now, it's also pretty much autopilot. Just come around here, grab all the loot. There's another little puzzle here, which is fairly easy. It just seems to be sliding everything all round in a circle. They didn't even try to make that hard. open. I'm pretty sure this is the only section you play as Ashley in the game. So, relatively short, not particularly difficult. And you know, it's sort of hinted at you that you need to run from all the enemies by the fact that you haven't got any weapons. And to be fair, all the enemies in this section are very, very easy to run from. So we've got some knights coming in, which devastating if they hit you, but they are really slow. So you can just run past them. So we've got the goat ornament, which is the thing we needed for the open the next door. So we're pretty much done. We just need to get back out of here now. Just back through this door, and through that last door. Another knight there. I like her dodge tactic is fall over backwards. It's not a dodge so much as a frightened fall. Grab a bit more loot here. Little note there to grab. Crank that up the ladder. A bit more loot through the door, and we're done.
Leon!
Ashley! You did good.
I'm sorry if I was...
Oh, don't worry about it. Come on, let's move on.